In this video, we will test the generative upscale function in Photoshop. In the past, we had the resize function or the image size, and we were able to resize the image or to upscale it using a native function in Photoshop. But now we have generative upscale, which is a different function using AI to improve the quality of the images. And now let's check the options under generative upscale. We need to go to image and generative upscale. There is also a shortcut, Alt Shift Control U. And when we press on it, we will see this window. And here in this window, we have different options. So we have a Firefly upscaler. And if you're familiar with Adobe AI package, so Firefly is part of Adobe AI. And here we can scale the images using this AI model from Adobe. And under Firefly, we have just two options, 2 times scale or 4 times scale. And we have partner models, and here under partner models, we have Topaz Gigapixel and Topaz Blue. And these models created by others as Adobe noted here under the models. And when we choose one of them, we also have 2 times or 4 times scales. I use these options. I tested these options already to make the video shorter. So this is the original image. It's 200 pixels, and I used the image resize here. Image size, the native function to upscale it. So I made it 400 pixels, and I used Bicubic Smoother. And okay, so we have this image, which is kind of similar to Firefly upscaler 2x scale or 2 times scale. And here we have the 4 times scale, which is also not far away from the native solution and the 2x solutions. I think just the skin tone here is a bit lighter than the 2x solution or 2 times solution. Here on top, we have the original image. So I masked it here to make you see the difference. And we have the gigapixel solution and we have Bloom solution. Each one produced different results. So here it's more like a generative fill or upscale. So it's trying to use AI to improve the quality of image. And here it's using AI, but based on the original image. So that's why the skin tone, the color, the hair looks much more natural than the one on the left or on the right side. And the one on the right side looks a little bit more artificial. The color of the skin is a bit different. The jaw here is a bit different. You can see the jaw is a bit wider than here on the in the gigapixel image. The hair as well here looks a little bit more artificial than here. And the one in the middle looks a little bit more blurry than the one generated with Bloom. So here it's more sharp, it's more detailed, but it's a little bit different. So you might maybe to think twice or to play with the options, because if we go back to the options, we have image size. Sorry, not image size. We have generative upscale. And here we have Topaz Bloom, and we have the scale of creativity. And so we have between 1 and 10. And I used 5, which is kind of in the middle. So maybe you need to go down maybe to 3 or 2 to have a better result or a more similar result to the original one. If it's up to me to decide which one is the best, in my opinion, Gigapixel is the best result that I got. The Firefly solution is kind of a replicate of the native solution, so the result is not much different than the original one. You can compare it here. This is the native solution, and this is here at the bottom, the Firefly solution. I don't see really a big difference between these two options. That's all for today. See you in other videos.